Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all do good. Okay. Today we are going to learn the next lesson in accountancy. Okay. Chapter 5, Admission of a Partner. In partnership firm, this is the third lesson. First one, we have learned that accounts, capital accounts, that introduction, isn't it? Preparing capital accounts. Then second one, goodwill. Now the third one, admission of a partner. Some adjustments are there here. Okay, now we know what is an admission. We admit a new partner in the partnership firm, isn't it? We add one partner in the partnership firm. Here, why they need to admit a partner in the partnership firm. We know once they have started a partnership firm, there will be a partnership deed, isn't it? That profit sharing ratio, then any other things will be agreed among the partners. So once if they admit a new partner, what they do, maybe their capital inflow, they introduce some capital along with them, that will change, isn't it? So every that introduction of capital, then their profit sharing ratio will also get changed. So why they introduce a partner, why they are admitting a new partner in the partnership firm? If they think that the available capital is not sufficient to run the business, or that any managerial skill is needed that is available in one of the person, that person can be appointed, or for some other reason they may admit a partner, isn't it? That is called admission of a partner. Here, that existing partnership deed will come to an end, so they may write another partnership deed. And until then, the other old partners might have worked a lot for the organization, isn't it? So actually, what they have worked, the existing partners, their work must be rewarded. So for that, we need to make some adjustments at the time of admission of a partner, because that partner has worked for a long time in the partnership firm. Because of him, they might have earned the profit. Because of his work only, they earned the profit. That we call as accumulated profit. This profit will be given in the balance sheet. So that is the reward of his work, the old partner's work. So that profit must be shared among the old partners, because the new partner is coming. Until then the other partners might have worked, so they have to close that profit. Then that means they are going to start the business as new along with the new partner. Okay, they may have some reserve fund, accumulated reserve. This also must be shared among the old partners. Okay, so any accumulated profits and losses, but that instead of profit, if the partnership is earning loss, since they have not worked properly, the old partners, so if it is loss, that also must be shared to the old partners only. Okay, any reserve fund, any other compensation fund, or anything what is available. Or they may revalue the assets also. They may revalue the assets and liabilities. If there is any profit, that will be distributed to the old partner's capital account or current account. Okay, so we have many adjustments that must be done at the time of admission of a partner. Then the distribution of accumulated profits and loss, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Then they have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, then they have to adjust the goodwill, Goodwill is the name given by the existing partners. So any goodwill is there, that will be shared among the partners. So goodwill must be adjusted. Then at last they will do the adjustment of the capital. Okay, all these adjustments must be made in the partnership. Okay, so first we will see the distribution of accumulated profits and loss. If it is profit, it will be given in the asset side of the balance sheet. But if it is loss, if it is profit, it will be given in the liability side. If it is loss, it will be given on the asset side. Okay, so we need to prepare one journal entry. Okay, we need to prepare a journal entry for transferring the accumulated profits and loss. Then profit and loss, if it profit shows credit balance, then we need to debit. Okay, profit and loss account. Profit and loss appropriation account, debtor. Then if it is general reserve account, debtor. If it is reserve fund account, debtor. Or workman compensation fund given. Workman compensation fund. All these funds must be transferred to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, or any investment fluctuation fund. Okay, debtor to old partners capital account. It will be transferred to whom? The old partners capital account or current account. If they follow only fixed capital, then current account. Okay, if it is only fluctuating capital account, then capital account. Current account, we have to transfer. If it is loss, if it is profit, we will debit. Loss will show already debit balance. So we need to credit. What should be debited? Old partners capital account or current account. Debtor to profit and loss account. Okay, this is the entry we have to make. Okay students, I will show one problem for you, illustration for you. Mala and Vimala are their partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Three is to 2. On 31st March 2017, Varshini was admitted as a partner. On the date of admission, the book of the firm showed a reserve fund 50,000. Cast the journal entry to distribute the reserve fund. They have asked only the reserve fund. So, we have to debit. Reserve fund credit to, so we need to debit the reserve fund account. Date is given, reserve fund, LF, journal entry, columns. Okay. Reserve fund account, debtor to Mala's capital to Vimala's capital, old profit sharing ratio 3:2. Reserve fund transfer to old partners capital accounts in the old profit sharing ratio. We need to calculate and give. Okay. Then second illustration, you see Kavita and Radha are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. This they admit Deepa on 1/1/2019. On that date, their balance sheet showed debit balance of profit and loss account being accumulated loss 70,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. Give the journal entry to transfer the accumulated loss on admission. Accumulated loss, how can we transfer? Okay, that profit and loss account shows debit balance. So journal entry, Kavida's capital account debtor, Radha's capital account debtor to profit and loss account. Because it is a loss, it shows debit balance, we need to credit that one. Accumulated loss transferred to old partner's capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, then third illustration also. Ratna Kumar and Arokya Das are partners in a firm sharing profits and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Buildings, plant, furniture, data, stock. This one no need to worry. Okay, here. The capital accounts. Then profit and loss account one thing. Then general reserve, workman compensation fund. These three only we need to distribute. David was admitted into the partnership on 1/4/2017. Past journal entry to distribute the accumulated profits and reserve on admission. So they have written only one journal entry. Only these three we need to debit. Profit and loss appropriation account, general reserve account, workmen's compensation account. Here we studied four things. Profit and loss account, general reserve, reserve fund, workman compensation fund, one more investment fluctuation fund if available. Okay. So accumulated profit and reserve transferred to old partners capital account in the profit sharing ratio. We need to add all these things 20, 25, 30, 40. 40 into 3 by 5 we will get 24. Then into 2 by 5 16,000 we will get. Okay. Here we will see the three exercise. Okay. Here many headings available. Under each heading you have to understand the problems. Then we can do the problems. Okay. Same illustration only will be done here. The first one, Arul and Anita are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. On 31/3/2018, Ajay was admitted as a partner. On the date of admission, the book of the firm showed a general reserve 42,000. Pass the journal entry to distribute the general reserve. Okay, only one journal entry. What is the journal entry? We need to prepare that. Question number 1. Okay, journal entry. We know to draw 5 columns are needed, isn't it? Debit, credit, LF, then date, particulars. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, rupees. Then, on the date of admission, the book of the firm showed a general reserve. So, date 31/3/2018. So, 2018, 3 means March 31. Okay. General reserve account debtor. Account debtor to Arul's capital account to Anita's capital account. Only the old partners. Okay. Yeah. General reserve transferred to old partners in the old ratio. General reserve how much? 42,000. We will debit. Now we need to calculate, isn't it? 42,000 into 4:3. So 4 by 7. 4 total 7. How many 7s are in 42? 6. 6,000. 6,000 into 4, 28. No, 24, isn't it? 6 4s are 24. Then here again it will come 3. So 6 3s are 18. That's one end. Okay. Then Second problem. Anjali and Nitya are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Pramila 1118. On that date, their balance sheet showed accumulated loss 40,000 on the asset side. Give the journal entry to transfer the accumulated loss on admission. Here, this one accumulated loss. So, in the same way, we have to draw the journal entry. Okay, we will do that one. Date 2018, admission date. Okay, January 1. Here, accumulated loss means that shows debit balance. We need to credit accumulated loss. That means profit and loss account. Okay, so we should debit the old partner's capital account. So, Anjali's account debtor. Anjali's capital account debtor, Nitya's capital account debtor, to profit and loss account. This one they may ask for 2 marks. Okay, very easy. So you must know. The debit, credit and calculation of amount only must be correct. Okay. Accumulated loss transferred to old partners in old ratio. We will calculate, isn't it? 40,000. You can do in the working column. Okay, rough paper you can do. 40,000 into 5 by 8 total. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. So how many 8s are in 45? 5,000. 5,000 into 5, 25,000. Next partner 3. So 5,000 into 3, 15,000. Totally 40,000. Okay, this is the journal entry. Then third one. Ovia and Kavya are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Agalya into the partnership. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as follows. All these things we do not need. Okay, here you see. Profit and loss appropriation account, general reserve account, workman compensation fund account. So these three we need to distribute. First, journal entry to transfer the accumulated profits and reserves. Here this workman compensation fund also we need to take. Okay, only one journal entry. 3. Journal entry. If you know the calculation, it is very easy. Okay, we need to debit all these credit balances. So first one, date we need to write, isn't it? When they admit the new partner, the last date only. Okay, 31st March. So 2019 March 31. Okay, so first profit and loss appropriation account debtor. General reserve account debtor. Workman compensation fund account debtor. You write fully, okay students? Two partners, Ovia's capital, to Kavya's capital. Okay. Accumulated profits and reserves transferred to partner's capital account. Okay, we need to calculate the amount, isn't it? So totally 40,000 plus 8, 48, Then 48, 50, 60,000, isn't it? So 60,000 into profit sharing ratio 5:3. So 5 by 8. So how many 8s are in 60? One, sorry, no. In 60, 7 8s are 56, isn't it? 7 8s are 56. Remaining 4, 45. So 20 into 5. First we can write the amount here, isn't it? Here profit and loss appropriation 40,000. Other one general reserve 8,000. Workman compensation fund 12,000. So when if we multiply this one into 5, 0 0, 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37. The next one 3, isn't it? 3 into 7, 7,500. 0 0, 5 3s are 15, balance 1, 7 3s are 21 plus 22. Okay, if you add, you will get the same amount, 60,000. 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 2, 6. 60,000 we have got. Okay, only one journal entry we need to prepare. The next heading we will see tomorrow. Okay, students, I think we have some question answers to mark that I will mark and give you. Okay. Here, okay. Only short answer, first one. What are the adjustments required at the time of admission of a partner? It is little big lesson, but under each heading, if you know, it is easy. Here in this 138, these 4, 5 adjustments. Okay, this 5 you need to mark. That's all. Okay, then read the full book. You must understand everything. Okay, students. So you do these 3 problems. Only these 3 journal entries you write and keep update your notebooks. Okay, students. Thank you very much.